is a traffic signal. My friends tell you the poem of traffic signal. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait, wait right away. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go right away. Next. This is a zebra crossing. We should always cross the road at zebra crossing. A picture of railway crossing. We must stop, look right, then left and right again before crossing the signal. A picture of railway crossing. We must stop, look right, then left and right again before crossing the signal. Look at the signal. It is for one way. It means we must move in one direction. This shine so prohibited. This shine so prohibited. This shine so prohibited to right turn on the road. Speed हमारी factories keeping vehicle speeds down. Hey, stop! You should not use mobile while driving. Sorry, now I will not use mobile phone while driving. Stop! We should give side to the ambulance. We should follow